Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to continue with the 1JZ Swap RX8. Yeah, let me show you where we're at right now. In the last video we installed all of the fuel system, fuel pressure regulator right there, fuel lines running, fuel line all plugged up, and I also plugged up some of the wiring as well. Today we are going to do the drive-by wire delete. So as you can see, if you push, you're not seeing nothing opening here, so we have to do the drive-by wire delete for it to work properly. And we are going to also install a different pedal on the car. So I'm going to take off the throttle body and show you what I'm going to do. But before we do that, we have 4 bolts to take off, 1, 2 and 2 under here. I also already removed the 2 under already, so I'm just going to remove these and show you what I'm going to do right now. So this is what we have to work with right now. As you can see, you turn, there's nothing moving because everything control from the computer, but I want to everything work mechanical. So right now I have a pedal from, I think it's a 2000 Toyota Corolla, and the cable for it. Right here I have the drive-by wire delete kit from Driftmotion. Right, so we are going to install that today. So right now we are going to remove these 3 screws right here. This is what we are going to remove. So when you're installing it, you're going to make sure the plug side is right here, and this is going to go like basically like this. So you're going to remove this and install this. This you have to install it right here. You have to take out this right here. It controls the idle. That part is completed now. It's time for this side. So we're going to put it back together now. So right now I'm going to remove the TPS. I'm going to recalibrate it when before I start the car, so no problem right there. 2 screws. 6 screws to pull. I'm gonna remove this gear right here. Don't really need that anymore. And put everything back together. So all of that is back on the car now. And like I said before, this kit is from Driftmotion, and I'll put the link below in the description, so if you want to order that, you can just hit them up. So right now I'm gonna install the pedal on the cable on the car. I've taken out the original pedal and I've drilled the hole right here and run the cable through. Right, so I'm gonna show you up front now. This is the pedal right here. So right down there, as you can see, I drilled the hole right there to put the wire through, the cable through, and I've drilled another small hole right there to bolt down the bracket, so the cable run up and come. So I'm gonna connect it up right there, but I'm gonna do the pedal first. I'm gonna use a stop mounting point to screw down the pedal. Right now, pedal bolted up, cable attached right there. So I'm gonna show you up the front now. Cable is right here, so I'm gonna try to put that on and then get back to you. So this is the cable right now attached. I'm gonna see if everything works like how it should. So let's see. push the gas. The color cut there. Everything is moving. Guys, I also install a new serpentine belt, and this kit is from Driftmotion also. It deletes the power steering pump and the AC compressor. I'm not gonna need a power steering because I'm gonna use my RX-8 power steering right there, electrical power steering right there. I'm gonna use AC, but for now I delete it. Later on I'll worry about the AC, but for now that's it. And I'll put this link for this item in the link below as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helped you to show you how to do the drive-by wire delete and the cable conversion for the RX-8. Hope it helped you a lot. Give this video a big thumbs up, right? And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Alright, so until next time, Madcanic logging out. Yeah.